If your Kia Sportage refuses to start, don't panic, as most no-start issues boil down to a few common electrical or fuel culprits. Statistically, over 85% of no-start cases in modern SUVs are traced back to simple battery or connection failures. Let us break down the exact diagnostic steps to get your engine turning over again. Start by confirming your battery terminals are tight, your key fob is active, and the transmission is fully seated in park. Focus your attention on the battery, the starter solenoid, or a failing alternator if you notice power loss before the shutdown. If the battery is fine, inspect your ignition fuses and listen for the fuel pump to verify it is building pressure. Simple electrical cleaning is a great DIY move, but leave deep engine management or internal starter repairs to a professional. As this chart shows, the battery remains the overwhelming leader in start failures for the Kia Sportage platform. For advanced troubleshooting, always use an OBD-I scanner and a multimeter to isolate electrical faults before buying expensive parts. Keep these 4 basic tools in your trunk to handle most common starting emergencies on the side of the road. Remember, never force a starter if the battery is low, because you risk causing more damage to the starter solenoid. If you're still stuck after checking these points, it is time to call a technician. Thanks for watching the Troubleshooting Playbook.